3. Hi friends! What we're doing is a spring cleaning video of our living room. It is in desperate need. Today's the day before Easter, so we gotta get it clean. And my husband's gonna help me for a little bit. Yes, he is. I'm gonna make sure of it. Tell your phone to stop. Your phone keeps blurting. Alright guys, so let's get to work and you're gonna see my awesome husband do some things to help me. First things first, I'm going to add my new favorite scent from Scentsy. It is apricot vanilla. I love this stuff, definitely springy. And then now I'm going to take this big old toy basket and put it in my room away from the rest of the living room just to declutter that space. And then now I'm going to declutter my piano because there's just bits of stuff all over it. And yeah, about spring cleaning is to declutter and remove stuff that does not belong there. And yes, that is a package of saltine crackers. Riley had his snacks earlier. And now I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent Mint. It is one of their spring scents and I really like it. It is definitely not overpowering. I think some of the Mrs. Meyer scents can be a little too strong for me, and this one is not. It smells really good though. And yes, you guys, I have not put any of my family pictures in my picture frames yet. Oh my gosh, I am such a disgrace. I can't believe I have not done that yet. I just have to get some printed and put in there, but I will do that ASAP, I promise. And those two bunnies on the top, the one on the right has gold ears. I got that from Target, from the Target dollar spot for $3. And the one on the left, I got from Winco for like $2.47 or $2.14 or something like that. And then the little stand in the middle of them, I got from the Target dollar spot, I believe for $5, but I got that last year. And Riley is trying to help too. Now I'm going to remove my curtains and I'm going to wash them in our wash machine. These I think you should wash definitely every season, at least once every season. But with all the dust and dander that happens, I'm definitely going to throw these in the wash right now. And I'm also going to grab this pillow that sits out on our couch a lot. It's grateful, thankful, blessed. I'm going to go wash that as well. And then now I'm using the Method glass and surface cleaner in the scent of Waterfall. I love the scented one in Waterfall. I got that from the Grove Collaborative website. I have not found the Waterfall scent at Target, so if I do, I will let you guys know. But so far, it is just on the Grove Collaborative website that I could find. I'm just going to clean the inside of the windows and then the outside as well. I do need to have my husband help me get the screens out so I can clean those, and then, or on the other side of the windows. And then this right here is so yucky and gunky. I definitely need to clean this up, and I'm going to spray the spray on there. Same stuff, and then I'm just going to scrape it. I should have used a butter knife too to help me get into the deep crevices, but it's all right. It's still doing a good job. Look how gross that is, you guys. Ew. Alright, now I'm going to spray and clean on the outside of the windows. And like I said earlier, I'm going to have my husband take the screens off so I can clean the other sides, the outside of the other windows as well. But that is actually not on this video. I'm sorry. You have to miss that. And now I'm going to dust off and clean off the curtain rods because they get really dusty and yucky from just being up there all the time. Now I'm going to grab these cushion covers and wash them. These get yucky food on it from my kids. So gross. Definitely going to take this off of the pillow and I'm gonna go throw those in the wash now that the curtains are done being washed. And as you can see here, I am wearing my shirt that my awesome friend and subscriber Ashley Gilbert sent me. It says keep calm and be lazy, hashtag the lazy housewife. I seriously wear this shirt all the time, like so much. Thank you so much, Ashley. When I wash our couch cushion covers, I like to use this Lysol laundry sanitizer in my wash because it does get rid of all of the germs. And I'm also going to wash this blanket because we use it a lot on our couch, so it gets kind of yucky sometimes. And then now I'm using my brand new vacuum that I picked up. It is the Shark Rocket. I really like it. I didn't know if I was going to like it so much, but I really do. I love the Shark brand a lot. This thing is really good. And I'm going to be vacuuming on our couch cushions and also underneath, because as you can see here, it is pretty nasty. And please excuse my bright neon white legs. I had to change into shorts because it got really hot. but yeah, so I'm gonna vacuum up all this stuff that gets underneath the couch cushions. You know, life happens, right? And now I'm going to use my new Bissell handheld cordless pet stain eraser. It's like a little handheld shampooer. I love this thing, you guys. I love to use it on like little spots and little spills, and it's great for the car. But I'm going to clean up this spot that was spilled on my couch cushion, as you saw there. And just going to suction it all up and get it nice and clean again. And if you're wondering, it ranges from $66 to $69. I got mine from Walmart for $66, and at Target I think it's $69. Now to clean these really dirty walls. My gosh, you guys, I do not clean my walls enough, but now I have definitely got to do it. And right now I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in mint, just because I love the smell so much. And I'm going to spray down my walls, and I'm going to use this warm, wet washcloth, and I'm just going to scrub and wipe down the walls along with that. And it's going to get all nice and clean again. And now to clean our very dirty baseboards. And yes, my husband and I need to finish painting the walls. It's definitely a project we need to finish. And then here comes Riley. Hi! And then, yeah, watch this. It's so gross. I think we've maybe cleaned the baseboards maybe twice since we've moved in here, and that was like 4 years ago. So embarrassing, but really, I don't even think about my baseboards. And I'm also going to clean like the door frames, because those get really dirty too from handprints. And now I'm going to clean and dust off this little table I have that has our Xbox 360 and our Xbox One on that. It gets really dusty. The electronics really does pick up a lot of dust. And then this little table is pretty dusty as it is, because I have not wiped this down for a very long time. So I'm definitely going to be cleaning this off. And this time I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent Basil. This is my little diaper caddy. It's like a little station I have for diapers and wipes I like to keep out in the living room just in case I don't want to take them to our bedroom and change them. And here's my awesome strong husband lifting up this couch for me, and as you can see there's crumbs and stuff underneath there. I'm just going to vacuum this all up really quick because I know that gets gross, so you should definitely do this every season as well, at least every season. And now Mike is going to put the curtains back on the curtain rods for me because it was on our honey-do list. We decided that it looked really funky with the middle curtain in there, so he ended up taking it out and just having the two sets of panels on there, and yeah, it just looks much better. good, babe. And now I'm going to shampoo our carpet because it's evening time and everyone is going to bed, and so the carpet can dry overnight. I really like to do that because it has a nice deep clean feeling in the house when I do that. And keep watching for bloopers of my husband and me. Hi friends! Say it!
Hi!
Stop.
No, start over.
Hi friends!